Oh, the camera on flip. Morning, my viewers. Morning. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to OutyahTV. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Who know hit the subscribe button yet? You need to subscribe to the channel. You understand? Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. So you want to know what's an idea? Yeah? We have some big fish head. The steam down in the day for lunch and thing. Maybe get our dinner out of it too. Yeah, man. Who know about the whole fish head thing? Big fish head. You know, say big fish head have a buzz. Yeah, man. So we just take them out before starting the video. Let me show you what I'm going. Let me show you what I'm going. Go in the kitchen to see what I'm going, you know. It's alright. So I want some nice big size fish head. Yeah, fish head are nice. Yeah, man, so just go get some water for them and go and thaw because they're a bit icy. See? Get some water on them and scale them off. I think, yeah, man, there's a little 1 and 2 scale left on them. They're already pre-cleaned, but you know, clean 100 to my liking. So just go brush them off. Yeah. I'll put them on, just make it go on, the ice go and thaw out of them. I'm not even sure yet. Maybe do want some breadfruit dumpling. How much of you guys have already had breadfruit dumpling? It's made with ripe breadfruit and flour. Not sure how much of you guys have already had that. But I'm not sure if I'll do that today. Maybe I'll leave that to the next day and just maybe do some plain cooked food, dumpling, banana, or maybe just liquor rice. I'm not sure. Yeah, man. So stay tuned. Seeing, and don't forget, guys, like, comment, share, and most of all, subscribe. Yeah, man. So stay tuned. Soon show you what I go on. As soon as the ice melt out that thing, and me go in there, and we see what is what. See? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Out there. Alright, so here I go on now. Just don't scale off the fish head, man. I tell you, say, what if I work? It ain't easy at all, but I say we have to get it done. You know? So let me show them what I go on now. This is what we're left with. I tell you, people, fish head have nice food if you look about properly. Tastes good. Yeah, man. You know, full of meat like the rest of the fish, but tastes good, man. So nice size them. But me personally rather the bigger fish heads, but them here we have, so them I work with. Let's see if we can set up a camera. Alright, so that is it. So now just go get a little bit of lime juice. See there, we have Cal's lime juice extract. Cut some onions. You can also use a little bit of vinegar, both. So use both. See there? White vinegar. That's all there is to it. No rocket science. So what I'm going to do now, this is actually too much for me alone, so maybe 1 or 2 other person. I don't really expect that much crowd today. So I might just put back a few pieces of this on the fridge for you. Any day I feel like about a steamed fish head with a piece of crackers or, you know, some okra and things. So real strong back food. And people, fun fact, they said that the fish eye contains a whole lot of stamina. more than the rest of the fish body. So most people kill up themselves over fish tail. Most man kill up themselves over fish tail. When really and truly, I head you really want. So just get these out. Put in one container. Release that. I'm going to tell some people, I never know there's so much scale upon me. Over 1 hour now me outside of scale fishing. Yeah man. Over an hour now. Believe me guys. Give it a final wash. The bones in fish head are bigger than what you would find like maybe at the ribs or the spine of the fish. So I'm not really worry about smaller bones. Just go get my kitchen scissors. So I have a nice little kitchen scissors. So I go clip off some of the gills like this. Yeah, I don't want this. The part are not really edible, so can't cut them off. Just be careful guys. See, this one was actually cut already, but can't cut it shorter. That's it. Enough of them part here. Children so small and get broken off during the scaling process, but that's alright. Alright guys, so as soon as I done this, I'll walk you through how I'm going to prepare it. See? Yeah, so just stay tuned for that. Alright, so people, see what I go on there? I have a one breadfruit that was actually turned, right? So I just put it on the fire for roast. I'm not gonna make it waste because it's already turned, and if you stay here maybe another day or two, you go eventually have to throw it out, which I don't want to waste the food. So I just put it on the fire for roast. I'm not gonna make up no fire outside for roast one small little breadfruit. Seeing 20-25 minutes tops. This will roast on the stove just fine. So I can live with that. In the meantime, what I also did was to cut these fish heads along the middle. Right? So I just get the chopper. So I have one here when I cut it. And cut it right down the middle. See? Yeah man, so the one here left we cut. So I still have a chopper right there, so yeah, and in the meantime, I chop some season as well. So I already start. I have some okra which will be added last with my bell pepper, my green pepper. You know, me like to garnish my food and things. So then I go add it last after I fry up these and then put the fish in, because steaming fish is a bit tricky. You can't really add the fish and all of the season at once. By the time all the carrot also cook, you practically won't have no fish left. Right? So cooking fish doesn't really take a lot of time. So there are steps and procedures into looking about fish. Seeing, so just stay tuned. You know, so see what I'm going on and how I go deal with it. So I just go finish cut up them season here. And you know, we see the next step. See? Yeah. So please remember, not only watch the video, subscribe. Yeah man, subscribe to the thing. Like one and two video them same way. And drop in the comments same way. Let me know how you look about fish head. If you even eat fish head. What if people don't eat fish head, you know? They don't bother with it. You understand? Yeah, what if people even eat fish head and hide like they don't eat it. Nothing wrong with fish head, people. Seeing, so stay tuned. Alright, so at that time of day, you know, so even though I don't fry the fish, them go fry, still go rub some season. And then most people, when they're steaming fish, they'd rather to season the water. can do it both ways. I think you'll have the same outcome. So here I have some all-purpose and some Maggi fish season and a little bit of black pepper. Right, and I add another season that I have combined here, which if you've been following the channel, you'll hear me talk about that more than once. So there's actually about 3 or 4 things here. Nothing much because we actually don't want to change the taste of the fish. Fish is a very delicate kind of food. You know? Most people really and truly rather just salt and black pepper. But you know, Jamaicans and them seasoning. Alright, so just go sprinkle a little bit in all of the crevices and corners of my fish. Just like that. So everywhere get seasoned to the bone. Remember people, as me tell you now, the fish eye contains the most stamina in terms of where the fish is concerned. So kind of healthy food same way, have health benefits. So for you man them we start on a chuckle, get to yourself some fish head no man. Nah, trouble nobody on that place here. No man do not come for me. Alright, so guys, meanwhile that was going on, I actually have my pot on the stove being heated. I'll be using butter and oil for this. And whenever I remember to take out my coconut milk to make it go and thaw out from the freezer because I have some blended already. But I'll just be doing this meal without it anyway. Alright, get my hands and wash. Then go over to the pot. Actually not going to use that much butter because I know everybody like butter. I not too like too much butter. Alright guys, so that I eat fish. Alright, so see what I go on, you know. Breadfruit still a roast. Medium heat. We have pimento berry, garlic, tomato, 1 scotch bonnet, thyme, onion, scallion, carrot, and Irish. Alright, so I'll be adding a little piece of butter to the hot pot. Not too much, just a little piece. Alright. While that is being melted, I'll also add a little cooking oil because I'm going to be sauteing all of this chopped vegetables that I have here. As you can see, that seems like about it. So now we just going with our seasoning. And we just pick up the rest of garlic, the rest of the plate. Now we just go saute this a bit. Gitu. Aroma we are keep it right now. Normal. That's it, right? Alright, so now we just go add a bit of water to cook these vegetables and to cook the fish. Alright, so that is it. What I'm gonna do now is just add a bit of all-purpose to this because while these are cooking, I actually want them to absorb some form of flavor. So I'm going to add some all-purpose and a bit of fish season to this, and then I'll cover it down. And let it the Irish and the carrot, which are practically the hardest things in the pot right now. Alright, that should be it. Yeah guys, you smell good. Breadfruit and go on the roast. Maybe now next 5 minutes we can take that off. So now me just go cover this and make those season cook. Alright guys, so it's been maybe like 5 minutes since these are being cooked. Now I'm just gonna place the fish. My fish. I'm just gonna place my fish on the top. I'll reduce the flame. Let me just reduce this a bit. See if I can do that without not turn off. Most used to my stove by now. Alright, that should be good. Alright, so these are being cooked for about 5 minutes. You don't want them to be fully cooked. You want everything to be cooked at the same time. But these are harder to cook than fishes. So 5 minutes in. Now I'm just going to be placing the fish on the top of this. And then I'll cover it down and let everything steam. As I said guys, fish don't even need 10 minutes to cook, right? And don't be afraid to put pieces on pieces if you're actually doing this menu, because the steam really and truly go do the work. Alright, so just so close it down now and make it steam. Yeah, and the breadfruit here, like, it's already ready to be taken off. As I said, it was turned. Alright, so let's go turn off after that. Yeah, man, it's hot, so I'll try that at home, guys. Alright, so I'm actually gonna be putting on a little pot of rice for myself right now, and I'll get busy with the cleaning of this kitchen. Alright, so I'll show you the finished product. So stay tuned for that. See? Out. Alright people, so it's been like maybe about 6-7 minutes. I'm actually just turning the fish, flipping it over on the other side. So both sides will be cooked properly. As you can see guys, the fish not too mash out or anything like that, because low flames. And as you can see, let me just break one of these carrots, show you how easy it will break, just like that. Yeah man, so on the final leg of the race now, for the next 5 to 10 minutes, low heat. This not actually have to turn again. All I'll be doing is adding my okra and my bell peppers to this, my sweet pepper. Right, so just put that over the top. If you know guys, okra and bell peppers can be eaten raw, so that no need no whole heap of cooking time. Right? You know, actually you need to be boiled. The steam will do the trick. Alright, as you can see here again, one nice little pot of rice and my breadfruit ready. Yeah, so that's it. That is it. Alright, so see if I can go on our next piece as soon as we start share this so we can see what is what. See? Yeah man.